All right, hi, this is Josh, Dream Body Clinic. This is DBC Diaries, episode 23, and I'm here with returning patient Ryan.
Hi.
How are you doing?
Doing great, yeah.
Great. So this is your third time here, actually. I think first time was, March in 2023?
Yeah, probably.
It's all right. So I think originally we fixed your back and a few other things. Like, what all did we do back then, originally?
Yeah, I got some injections in my back and my wrists, my ankle. Yeah.
Got it. How's everything doing?
Really well. Like, I had a lot of nerve pain in my ankle and kind of across the top of my foot, and it was gone fast after the treatment. So, I mean, it worked really well, and had some arthritis in my wrist, and over a couple of treatments, like, it is mostly gone, if not totally gone, and it feels a lot better. So
great.
And same with my back, like, it's just improved a lot over time, and feel a lot better.
That's awesome. Yeah, you told me it helped a lot with pain, and then you were also dealing with some scoliosis, right?
Yeah, I had some scoliosis. I didn't know, you know, at the time, until I started kind of getting in for some treatments, came down to see you guys, started looking at MRIs, and the doc was having a hard time with an intrathecal, trying to get it because of the scoliosis.
Twisted, yeah.
So, like, I at the same time was getting my spine corrected for that as well.
Got it. And it sounded like they said you kind of had just miraculous results there, right?
Yeah, I mean, even the doctor who does it for a living thought that my results were pretty surprising, but they basically corrected me back to normalcy. So
that's amazing.
Yeah, in a week.
Wow.
So
what do they do? Is it like stretching and stuff, or they're working with you, or what are they doing?
It's, the technique is called clear, and I don't remember exactly what that acronym is for, but it's a clear scoliosis reduction technique that this doctor uses, and they use body weights to try and move you into position, and they use some straps to try and force you back into a correct posture.
See,
and some exercising, structural rehabilitation type of stuff.
Okay. See, I find that just incredible, because it's kind of like what we do. People say, "Oh, you can't fix a herniated disc. Oh, you can't fix arthritis," and then we're consistently doing that. And like in this practitioner, what is in Florida? I think you said for the scoliosis. Mm-hmm. And you're not supposed to be able to fix that.
Right. Yeah.
We've got your MRI and your back's straight. I mean,
I know.
It's incredible.
And he said I'm like one of the patients where, I had the least amount of scoliosis that they treat. So, like, I think he said they're treating people with 40 to 50 degrees of scoliosis.
Oh, wow.
Yeah. So.
Dang, man, that's incredible. And then you've also worked with Yoni Witten, who's a friend here at the clinic, and he's good at stretching people out. And we've helped his back, and he taught us a lot about the undenatured type 2 collagen.
Yeah, and I've been taking it.
Me too. So I get that from his site, the painfixprotocol.com. There's lots of other good options, but we know Yoni, and I mean, that guy, he really cares about what he gives people. So I trust what he does, and his results speak for it too, with what we did with the stem cells. So it's pretty cool. So no, man, thanks for coming. Thanks for doing this. I know then you came back, I think, was it April this year? You were here again?
I was, April this year, and I got a treatment on my shoulder and my hip.
Got it. How are those doing?
My hip, the arthritis in it is feeling a lot better. I mean, I had some instability too, which I worked with Yoni on at the same time of getting the stem cells, and I've got the instability taken care of, and the pain is gone, and it's pretty much back to normal. So
nice.
It feels like it's a great 1-2 punch with somebody who understands structural rehabilitation and stem cells.
Yeah. And you were telling me you were in the military back in the day, and
I was
probably added to beating up your body.
yeah, it definitely didn't help.
So that can do it. Yeah, we've helped a lot of military guys out there, jumping out of planes, different things. Not so good for the body.
Right. Yeah.
That's great. And then here today, so we got the IV. We're going to do your back again. You say there's still like a little bit of nerve pain, right? We're just going to try and knock that out.
A little bit of nerve pain, yeah, in the thoracic, which is kind of odd. I don't know why I have it, because my MRIs look pretty decent, but it just no matter what I do, I can't get it gone. So I'm going to give that a shot and see if it can take care of it, because it's worked on nerve pain other places. So.
Great. So we'll take it over the top this time, and hopefully future ones are just IVs, anti-aging, all that.
Yeah, right. That's what I'm hoping for, because I'm getting ready to, get back into conditioning again.
Good.
Because the last couple of years, I've really just kind of been on pause.
Right? When you're in pain, it's tough to do the work, So you've done the other work, the stretching, the rehab stuff, but you want to get back out there. I mean, you've got kids, you want to play with them, you want to get back at it. I get it. Cool. Well, thanks for trusting us. I mean, you've had your wife come here, you've had your mom come here. It's been great to help all of you. And just thanks so much. Thanks for sharing this with everyone at home. And if you have questions, you can get a hold of us anytime at www.dreambody.clinic. You can call us toll free at 833-445-9089. I'm Josh. Happy to help.